Alright? Where energy guy, hey. Where's the energy, guys?
Hello, this is Michael. My name is Naman Augustine. I'm here today to briefly give you a direct guide on how to register on BITHERCASH.com, and also on how to fund your BITHERCASH account, and also on how to buy your packages on BITHERCASH.com. Just follow me. To continue with the tutorial today, for you to access the investment portal of BITHERCASH Club, you just have to visit www.bithercash.club. You can see it here, www.bithercash.club. Then click on login. You click on login. That is when you want to register. Click on login. It will take you to a login page. Then you click on, just follow what you are seeing here. Follow what you're seeing here. Now, after clicking on the login page, you now click on create account. You see now, create account. That is for those that have not registered. Click on create account. Create account is loading now. I've clicked on it, so it's loading here. Click on this, create account. So it's loading here. Once it's loaded, we'll see the place where you can register, fill your forms, and fill other things. Now click on accept terms and condition. Accept terms and condition, then create account. Accept terms and condition and create account. That is what you are going to click here. Click on this. Click on this. Yeah, this two version is what I'm going to click on here. Now watch what you'll see here. I'm just creating account. Click create account. Yes, after clicking on this, the create account, you will see a page like this. It will come up. So what you have to do here is at this sponsor ID, put Ostabest. Ostabest. That is what you see here. Ostabest. Put this. Ostabest. Now on this side, select side. What you are going to do here is to select the side of the place you want to be. You can select any side, either left or right is okay. It depends on the direction of the person that is following you, or that person that leads you, but you can select any of the side. Then after selecting, put your name. Your name can be anything. Let's just say Joel. Joel. Your last name can be anything. Let's just say Matu. Then your country. Select your country here. Assume you are coming from Nigeria. You select Nigeria. You select Nigeria here. It will bring out an option. Then you put your phone number here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 7. Okay, you select the city, you select the state. Select state. Select state. Now there is a most important side of this account creation here. Here you will see something like this. Look at this. You will see email. Put your email here, your own email, put it here. Then you see this login password. Login password. These two password is the same thing. Just you are going to put the same password in these two places, but this one is another different password. This is password 3. The password 3 will enable you to The password 3 will enable you to be able to carry out transaction to any person, or whenever you want to carry out transaction from your dashboard. I'm going to show you the value of this these two different passwords just as we continue. So what you do once you are through here, you continue. You have to continue by clicking accept and create account. Accept and create account. Just watch and see what we are doing here. Okay, so you see here, click accept, create account. So but I've already created account, so I don't need to create another account again. So just what I have to do is to click on login. Click on login now. So just hold on and see how it works. You can see here my username is Osterbest and this is my password, and I click on login. Okay, here is the login page. This is the dashboard. This is my own dashboard. You can see now that I purchased a package of pilot package worth $500, but you can purchase any package. So how to purchase package? Click on package. You see package here. I've clicked on it. It's coming up. So what you do here is to click on package, then consultancy package. Then you will see some features like this. The features are like this. Then you select if it's 10, if it's 100 you want to buy, if it's 500, 1000, 5000, 1000, 10,000, 25,000 or 50,000, anyone you wish to buy, just click on add to the cart. Add to the cart. You see it here. Let's say I choose 500, so I will now click on checkout. You see checkout here, so it will tell me fund from wallet or fund from pin wallet. So I will choose fund from wallet. But before you can have fund in this wallet, you have to do something very, very important. That is what I'm going to show you in the next step here. Just hold on. So to fund your wallet, you have to visit a site called BITHERCASH.com. In that BITHERCASH.com, you can fund your wallet through Bitcoin, then exchange it to BIC, that is a BITHERCASH coin, and then transfer it to this wallet and do your transaction. And that is just it. Just look at what I'm going to do here. So visit www.bithercash.com, then click on login. Once you click on login, it will take you to login page. Okay, sorry, there's a little error on what I just said earlier. What I mean is this: if you want to fund your account, that is to get your e-wallet account funded, this is just what you're going to do. Come to this place, www.bitherx. You can see bitherx.com, then click on register. Once you click on register, it will take you to registering point where you can register and have your BITHERX account. I already have my own BITHERX account, so I click on already a user. You can see it here. Then I could just log in. I will log in here. Then you can see once I log in here, you will now see what I mean here. After creating your account, you will see something like this. This is dashboard. This is exchange. So click on wallet first. Click on wallet first. Click on BTC. BTC means Bitcoin. So if you don't have, you click on Bitcoin, you will click on this page here. Just click on the page. I hope you follow me. This is a Bitcoin wallet. Then click on deposit. So this is your Bitcoin wallet. Now fund your Bitcoin wallet through this. Fund your Bitcoin wallet through this. So if you don't have Bitcoin fund, just visit okay, this is what you do. Just copy this link, go to any of this website and follow this guide to fund your Bitcoin. Once you send any fund to this Bitcoin wallet here, this is my own, or this is not your own. Once you log in, you will see your own. Just use your own Bitcoin wallet and deposit fund in it.